Hey everyone, today we will see how to mount or dismount Mailbox database in Exchange Server and the services responsible for that Mailbox database. So this is my Exchange Admin Center. To check the available Mailbox database in my Exchange environment, go to Server, select for Database. Here you can see the available Mailbox database in our Exchange environment. So I have total 4 Mailbox database in my Exchange Server. To dismount a particular Mailbox database, on this Exchange Server, select for a Mailbox database and click on this 3 dot, select for dismount. So after dismounting this Mailbox database, the user will not able to log into their mailboxes who are hosted on this Mailbox database. Now to mount this Mailbox database again, select for this database, click on this 3 dot, click on mount. So within few seconds the Mailbox database will get mounted. Now after mounting this Mailbox database, the user will able to log in and will able to access to their mailboxes. In the right side navigation pane, you can see the details for the Mailbox database copies. So this Mailbox database is in mounted state and the content indexed state is in healthy state. Now the same detail we can see by PowerShell command. So these are the command we will use to check the Mailbox database copy status and to mount or dismount a particular Mailbox database. So to check the current Mailbox database copy status in our Exchange server, we will run this first command, get-mailbox database copy status space star pipe ft-a. So I will run this command in my Exchange management shell. Here we can see the details about the Mailbox databases and the status of those Mailbox database. So all 4 Mailbox database is in mounted state. Now if you want to dismount any particular Mailbox database, we will run this command, dismount -database -identity. We will select the Mailbox database name. In this example, we will dismount this Mailbox database 1. So we will run this command. So again we will check the Mailbox database status by running the first command. So here we can see the Mailbox database 1 is in dismounted state. Now to mount this database, we will run this command, the second command, mount Mailbox database identity, the Mailbox database name. So I will run this command. So again if we check the Mailbox database copy status, so the Mailbox database 1 is in mounted state. So this way you can manage the Mailbox databases by command. Now let's say if you are facing an issue with mounting or dismounting a particular Mailbox database. In that case, we have to verify few Microsoft services which are in running correctly on this Exchange server. So these are the main Microsoft Exchange services which are responsible for database related issues. Now to check these services, search for services.msc. Under these services, we will search for Microsoft services. So we have to verify these services are running in this services tab. So we can check for this Microsoft Exchange Active Directory topology, Microsoft Exchange Information Store, Microsoft Exchange Replication, Microsoft Exchange Mailbox Assistant, and Microsoft Exchange DAG Management. If you have any DAG in your environment, then you can check for this service. Otherwise, we have to verify these first 4 services. So we can check the services here, Microsoft Exchange Active Directory topology, the Microsoft Exchange Information Store, the Microsoft Exchange Replication, and the Microsoft Exchange Mailbox Assistant. So these 4 services are in running state, and these Microsoft services need to be started automatically when you restart your Exchange server or when you perform any activity on your Exchange server. If these services are in stop state, then we have to start them manually. So this way you can mount or dismount your particular mailbox database in your Exchange server, and these are the services which are responsible for these Exchange server mailbox databases. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section. And finally, thanks for watching.